Today we'll go through the new topic that is nothing but the graph, how to plot graph and analyze the data through Python. Okay. So the first one is, let's say, plotting a line. Copy that code.
First line, sir. Plotting. This one's right.
Down. Till plot dot show. Last. That's it. Copy. Comment that line.
This one, sir.
That dash is there, no? Okay, run it. Okay, so here, what is the error getting? Module not found error. No module named matplotlib. Okay.
Yes.
So here, no, go up. So here, to plot a graph, we have another library that is called matplotlib. Okay.
Okay.
So this is very important library. Going forward, doing this machine learning or any data analysis, data visualization, we are going to
Okay.
use this matplotlib. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the advance of this Python, you can say. So this is one more library. So as I
Okay.
told you before, there are so many libraries are there for different operation to do. Okay.
Okay.
So some libraries or some modules are there inbuilt. In the core Python, it is there. But some of the library, you need to install it. Okay. So here it is showing no module name found. So that means this module is not there. Okay. You have to
Okay.
install it. Okay.
Okay.
So how to install that? So what you have to do, you have to install in different ways. Okay. In the PyCharm, right click there.
Yes, sir.
No, inside.
Inside.
No. There only in the code, inside the code.
Inside the code. Okay.
Right click. No, anywhere. Huh? Right click. Just right click. What happened?
Nothing will come, sir.
No. Right click it. Now open in terminal. There is open in terminal is there, right? Down. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Click on that. So open in terminal means it is nothing but it will come as a command prompt. Okay.
Okay.
Here it will come in a command prompt, or directly you can go to the command prompt also, or here also you can use as a command prompt like this. Okay. So now here what you have to do, right? Pip, PIP,
DAP, sir.
PIP,
PIP
space,
space
install, double L, space, that matplotlib, lib,
dot.
lib. Okay, this is the library. Okay, you have to install. How to install it? Whatever the library is, if you want to install, so in PyCharm you can right click, go to the terminal and you can do it, or you can go to the command prompt. You have to write pip install that library name. Okay, now enter. For this you need Wait. Is there any antivirus downloading? Correct. So for this, internet connection should be there. Okay, it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. So every time we install, sir, once if we done, what's okay for?
Once you're done, it will be there. Okay,
Okay.
do one thing. Go to file. Go to file.
You should download.
In PyCharm. In PyCharm.
Okay. Installed here, no, sir.
No. Open the PyCharm. Now go to 1 second settings. What happened? You click the settings.
Yes, sir. Yes, comes.
Wait. Now go to this project. Left hand side project is there, right?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Down. There. Click on that. Click on the interpreter. Wait. See here. Before that, matplotlib won't be there. Okay. Now I think it is installed successfully. So now it is coming here, matplotlib.
Okay.
Okay. So with matplotlib, it will come NumPy also. Okay. This NumPy and matplotlib, this will come simultaneously, and with supporting some other files also it will come. Okay, so this NumPy and matplotlib, these are useful for your further machine learning and data analysis and mathematical statistical calculation and all these things. Okay,
Yes.
you can close it. So whatever you install, it will add one by one here. See,
Okay.
it is successfully installed, right?
Yes, sir.
Done. Now run it. So once you're done, then it's fine. It will be there forever. Okay.
Okay.
Now run it. Wait. It is updating. If you see in the down, it's updating. Okay. Just give a second and just click on that red mark. Right side top corner. Red mark.
This one.
Right side. That. Okay. It came. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the graph. Okay.
Mm.
Just give it a side. I want to see the code and output both at a time. Okay, fine. So here see, first what you have to do, you have to import library matplotlib. Okay.
Okay.
In that library, there is a submodule called pyplot that you have to write dot pyplot. Okay. Then you have to give some nickname as PLT instead of writing every time. So you can use PLT. Okay, like you did in math, right? Like that. So now to plot a line. Now this first topic is how to plot a line. To plot a line, we need a x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So we have taken x-axis as a 1, 2, 3. Okay. Y-axis as 2, 4, 1. Okay. Now, what are the points? So first point will be the first 1 and y2. Okay. 1 and 2. See here. Where is 1 and 2 in the graph? This is 1
Yes.
and this is 2. This is the point. Okay. Now, what is the next point? 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
This is 2 and this is 4. This is 1 point.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 and 1. Now 3 and 1. Now these are the 3 points. Then join. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So first thing is you have to take x-axis and y-axis. Second thing is you have to tell that plot x comma y. Okay. Third thing, this is just it will plot. That's it. Now label. Suppose you want to give label as a x-axis or y-axis or profit, loss, or whatever you want to give. You can give it. Okay. Then you can give some title. then show, plot dot show. That's it.
This is like output one, huh?
Correct.
So
So it
means
will show.
this is for our
Naming.
module
This
name.
naming. You want to change, you can change profit and loss.
Oh,
Something you want to
okay,
change, you
okay,
can change it. Not an issue. Okay.
okay.
Just close it.
Hmm.
No, close it. Now give some values here. X-axis. There are three values, right? Give some comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay. Now here also add 2 points. Give some point. Okay. Now you want to change the label. See, if here in x-axis, if you are giving 5 points, y-axis also you have to give 5 points. Okay.
Okay.
Now you want to change the label. Name,
No, sir.
write profit and loss. You can write x-axis. Instead of x-axis, you can write profit or loss, something. So accordingly, you can change it, not an issue. Then here you can write the title, you can write analysis, data analysis, something. So whatever, just it will come in a separate window. Okay. So you can see now the data is coming. Whatever you have given, the points, it will go.
Value.
And by default, it will come this line, x-axis value by default it will take, y-axis value by default it will take, and just it will draw the graph. That's it.
Okay.
If you want to save, there is a save option down. You can save it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You want to change here also, you can mix the numbers. I want 50, like 100, like that.
That also you can customize, but by default, it will take what is the maximum one it will take by default. Okay, so no need to do anything. And if you want to customize, same thing, some properties you have to change. I'll tell you going forward. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now go to the next one. It's very simple. Just first thing is matplotlib you have to import. Second thing is x-axis, y-axis you have to take, then plot. That's it. You want to see, give the label, then give it. If you don't give, it won't come. Title, if you want to give it. If you don't give, also no problem. But plot dot show to show the graph. Here also no logic, nothing. Just simple put the value, get the answer.
This,
Okay.
what the meaning, sir, this one?
Plot means plot the graph.
Okay. That is constant, right?
Plot the graph. That's it.
Okay.
Now next one is plotting two or more lines. So we have done one line. Now let's draw more than one line. Here, see, we have taken x-axis, y-axis in the previous one, right? Here we have taken
Yes,
two,
sir.
x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay.
Okay.
Now run it. Okay. So here two lines are there, and in the, if you see plot dot plot, plt dot plot, right? x1 comma y1 we are giving. Okay. But again, giving comma properties label equal to line 1, label equal to line 2. Okay. You are seeing the properties of the plot, right? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this plot properties you can give, like I told you, background color, line color, whatever color you want, you can give it and extend it. Now,
Okay.
a label also you can give x-axis and y-axis, and this is this title. There is a legend. Legend means if you see right hand top corner in the output, right hand top corner, line 1, line 2, it is showing, right? This is nothing but legend. If you don't want, then comment it. If you want, you can write the legend. That's it. Then show. Okay. Now I'll show you the some properties, how you can include some properties. Okay. So this is more than one line. The simple, you have to take x-axis, y-axis. Okay. x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then draw two lines. Simple. Plot it. Then show. Okay. Now, if you want to customize some line, as I told you, like I want to customize some line and I want to do some color change on some thick or width or something, that also you can do. Okay. Now go to the next program. So here some customization of plot. Will show. Huh. So here we have taken x as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y-axis as a this. Now plot dot plot, okay, x comma y is compulsory. We have to take two values. Now see, we have taken some properties. Okay, now run it. I'll tell you. Okay, suppose you want some customization, you want to some graph like dash 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 or some point something, or some you want to change the color, so you can do it. So color means see green, instead of green if you want to red, you can give it red. Okay. Line style is dash, so like that some properties say different line style will be there, you can change it. Then line width, marker is O you have given, instead of O you give okay, let's close it, we'll change some color. Okay, instead of green give red, and marker give star. Marker, there is marker, right? Oh, make it star. Now run it. Okay. So like that you can change whatever you want, and there are some properties. Same, you search, go to Google. You can write plot properties, PLOT plot properties in properties, PRO in Matplotlib. Enter. Go to the first one. So Matplotlib is a one organization. So matplotlib.org. Okay. Now come down. We'll see the properties. Come down. Here, see what, wait. These are the properties. Okay, so many properties are there. So you can see dash. There are right figure, fill style, clip, color. Okay, come down. This marker, label, all this thing is there. Okay, that dash you right click. Dash, top one, top second one. Right click. Open a new tab. So this is set dash color. Line style, okay, set line style, come down, get this. So these are all the so many properties are there. Just need to edit there and see how it is giving. Okay, just close it. I'll tell you.
Intake one, sir. Nothing. Or solid. Draw dash.
Yeah. Oh, go up, go up. Here, draw. You can put one like this. There is given right double dash. No.
Hmm.
After that it is this one. Draw dotted. Yeah, something like that. You can put it.
Yes.
Go there. Go there. Dotted just give dotted. Remove that draw. No, remove that draw. Only dotted.
This one, sir. Only dotted. Okay.
Only dotted. Okay. Or else, what you can do, you can give two dots. Close it. Instead of that, give two dot. Go to that Google page. See, in this side, before that there is a dot sign, right?
Yes, this one, sir.
No.
Dash.
After that, no. After that, after the selected, after that, no, in between. No, what you have selected, no, what you have
Okay.
selected, it's some character is there, right? After that, comma, within quote, dot is there, right? That one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So like that also you can give directly. Single
Okay.
dot is there, double dot is there, hyphen is there, star is there, like that. So you can give directly. Correct. Go and give dot.
Like this, sir.
Correct. Run it. Okay. So like this, I mean, it is coming like this. So like that, I mean, whatever is there, you can give directly like this also. Line style, how you want. Okay. Now, what you told, like you want to increase this x-axis and y-axis value, right? Now it is
Yes,
still
sir.
8. So close
Yes,
it. Close that. So here, next line, plot dot y limit, x limit is there, right? Till 8. You can increase till 10, 50, 20, whatever you want, you can increase.
Okay.
If you don't write also, by default, it will take the which is the highest one, it will take by default. If you want something like this, now run it.
Yes, sir.
But you will get like this. It till 20 it will come, but you will get a small graph.
Okay.
Okay. But if you don't give also these two line, by default, it will give nicely. Whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is your y limit and x limit. And plot also, as I told you, like different properties you can put it, and you can change the color, change the width, change the look and feel, whatever you want, you can do it. Close it.
Yes. The IPL match, they will give a graph like this. 20 over, they reached 7.8 over like this.
Yeah.
Remaining
So,
balance will.
So in that case, what will happen? They will give the let's say the player here or number of 6, number of 4, and player or whatever. or the team in x-axis and the y-axis. This is the thing. Okay. Then it will come like this.
Okay.
Okay. Close it. Now come down. Now this is y limit, x limit, then level and title and so. That's it. Okay. So here also nothing put in any logic and anything. Just you have to put the values, change the properties. That's it. Okay.
It's using for visualization, all right? When what? How,
Yeah, it's for visualization. For visualization, we can use that. Python is like, let's say we have some reporting tools, right? Let's say how many corona cases are there in India or in world or in Chennai or in Bangalore, wherever. Okay.
yes,
So you
yes,
can put some data in x-axis and y-axis. You can see how it is increasing or decreasing, whatever.
yes.
So they are doing this visualization. For this visualization, we have different Tableau and some reporting tool are there. Click view, okay. But
Okay.
Python also providing this thing. So you can write the program.
Panda, sir?
Now matplotlib.
Okay.
Panda is there. In our next class, we will go for the pandas.
Okay, okay.
That is
This
also
will
very
take.
powerful, pandas.
Okay.
Okay. So here, this is for the visualization. You can use this matplotlib. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to remember all the libraries that you know, because maybe sometimes they will ask you, tell me what are the libraries that you have used. Okay.
Okay.
So like math library, OS library, and this matplotlib library. So those things, it should be there in your mind. Date and time, all
Okay.
that you are doing in the import, that all the things you have to remember.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So we'll continue this graph in our next session.
Okay.